Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best doorstops that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Wundermax Door Stoppers Rubber Security Wedge. This strong door stopper is made from durable rubber with impressive gripping power. It can actively hold its place on any kind of floor, be it concrete, stone, carpet, tile, hardwood, or linoleum. It perfectly wedges between tall open gaps between the floor and the end of the door. You can stack them in gaps up to 2. Moreover, the doorstop comes with an easy-to-use holder with an adhesive back that you can stick near the door. This holder holds the stopper conveniently and prevents it from going missing until the next time you need it. If you need to stop a large gap, you can also multi-pack them and double up their height. These doorstops are designed to stop even the heaviest of doors. All because they're sturdy, non-slip, and well-designed. Their plastic and rubber construction ensures that they work on a wide range of different floor types, while the curved shape suits just about every door height. They even come in several unique colors and include free bonus holders, which attach to your door using damage-free adhesive tape. Choose from packs of 1, 3, 4, and 6. These lightweight rubber wedges are versatile and easy to move around. The fun variety of color offerings range from neutrals like gray, white, and black to bold colors like orange and red. The pack of 3 doorstops also comes with 3 complementary plastic holders so that you don't lose those little wedges. Another noteworthy feature is the product's stackability. Number 2, Rubber Door Stoppers for Bottom of Door Security. This is the best doorstop for wooden floors thanks to its high-quality rubber construction and anti-slip base that leaves no scuff marks or scratches. These doorstops are constructed using flexible rubber, which snaps back and forth with little pressure. An anti-slip bottom keeps it firmly in place on all types of floors, including hardwood and tile. Door clearance is pretty generous, clearing between ½ inch to 1 inch, which should accommodate most standard doors. We love the fact these rubber wedge doorstops come in a 4-pack, 10-pack, 20-pack, or 50-pack, which makes it work for office buildings and large commercial areas. Its design is on the neutral side, coming in 4 base colors: black, brown, silver, and white. Once you've got your door in place, take a look at the best video doorbell. The robust grip on multiple surfaces makes sure that the door stays in its place no matter what. This rubber doorstop will grip strongly on tiles, cement, wood, and carpets as well. Furthermore, in addition to this multi-surface compatibility, the premium quality of rubber offers high elasticity and slip and wear resistance as well. It has been formulated with a safe and completely non-toxic rubber. You don't need to stick a holder on the wall to keep the stopper safe, you can simply hang it with the doorknob. There's high elasticity and slip and wear resistance as well. It has been formulated with a safe and completely non-toxic rubber. You don't need to stick a holder on the wall to keep the stopper safe, you can simply hang it with the doorknob. Number 3, MAXTID Black Door Draft Stopper 34-inch Cold. This door stopper attaches with a Velcro strip, which allows for slight adjustments, according to one reviewer who says it was super easy to install. They add that it works really well. It keeps airflow under the door to a minimum, so smells and sounds stay where they belong. Another reviewer calls it a very simple and effective fix for my drafty front door because the adhesive is excellent and the Velcro allows me to pull it off and adjust or clean it. And a third reviewer who uses this on their back door says it was an easy solution for their 3 problems: drafts, bugs, and rainwater. They installed theirs before a thunderstorm and immediately noticed that the draft that always came through the huge gap under the door was gone. They right. My husband even looked up from what he was reading and said, "Wow, it just got a lot quieter." We also didn't get any rain coming through under the door after installing it. It comes with a 30-day satisfaction money-back warranty. So, you'll be able to get your money back without having to provide a reason for returning the product. Importantly, the Umbra Buddy heavy-duty door stopper is manufactured from soft-touch thermoplastic rubber. So, unlike most options on the market, this specific door stopper won't leave any marks or scratches on your floors or carpets. Additionally, it also comes wrapped in nice-looking packaging, making it an ideal gift for some of your closest friends or relatives. Number 4, HOMOTEK 12-pack Black Spring Doorstops 318 Heavy. This is an innovative and extremely easy solution to keep your door in one place. There are no special tools or hardware required for installation, you can simply put the spring door stopper on the baseboard of the door directly. It comes with the required screws for installation. The stopper is designed with a firm bumper made from rubber and a wide base that effortlessly restricts heavy doors from bumping into the wall behind. Moreover, these spring door stops are useful for bathrooms, offices, bedrooms, kitchens, and any kind of door. You can attach it at any position of the door, the top, near the doorknob, or the bottom. The oil-rubbed finish gives it a nice glow when attached to the wall or the door itself. These hinge pin door stops by HOMOTEK are easy on the eyes and easy to install. To install, simply remove the hinge pin on any door, slip the pin through the doorstop, and replace the pin in the hinge. For larger pins, remove the spacer in the hinge pin hole to ensure a proper fit. The adjustable rubber head screw helps achieve just the right length for the stop, thus preventing any issues with the door handle from coming too close to the wall. For added confidence in these hinge pins, add adhesive bumper pads where the pin meets the door jamb. Number 5 DomeStar Door Stop, Cute Dog Door Stopper. After more than 6 hours of research and testing, our pick for best door stop goes to the Wundermax door stop. It has a flexible odorless rubber construction with a sloped design, ridged surface, and an anti-slip bottom that provides excellent traction on all kinds of floors. No door hardware is required, just lay it flat and wedge the bottom of the door in place. Each door stop features an exquisite spring buffer, stopping and holding any door softly and silently. Not only does this provide better wall protection, but it also reduces any disturbing sounds. Have any questions about the Wundermax magnetic door stopper pack? Well, be sure to visit their website and move down to the customer questions area. There are literally thousands of answers from various users. This door stop can hold up to the heaviest doors without budget. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.